Good morning class. On today we are going to do a little bit of math, then we are going to watch Nature Cat. After watching Nature Cat, then going to have a test on each account forever. Now if you have a problem about it, then you can get out my classroom. Oh yeah, I can do the test in the we want to get out my classroom. I will slap in your face. Oh. Good then everyone. Hey Scott, what is 3 से शून्य equals and don't you ever give me a wrong answer.
Okay, the fucking answer is 8,929, which I got it right now. Where's my candy, Mrs. Anna, for getting the answer right, nigga? Mrs. Anna, I got it right. To oaks so deed and the law oaks the footies season to the phone did yes, nigga. Yeah.
AWWAWWAWW, you own bitch nigga sweetheart. Scott, you got the answer wrong, you dumb bitch. How dare you ask me for a piece of candy even though you're one of the dumbest student in the world, and how dare you sit there and say that's the right answer. You're one of the most dumb retarded students ever. Now you will not get your candy. You can get your candy in the bathroom, and you know the candy in the bathroom, it's shit, which stands for shit and poop. You can go ahead and eat it right now in the bathroom. Feel like it, that's your reward. Shit, you need it, you dumb bitch.
AWWWWWWW, man.
Alright dumbass students, right now we're going to watch Nature Cat and she got, please shut the fuck up. If you have something fucking say, wait till the fucking stuff is fucking finished and then you're gonna take your fucking test. Is the fucking clear?
Yes, Mrs. Anna.
Scott, how about you shut the fuck up or I'll call FB on you nigga. Is that clear?
Okay.
Now shall we watch it now? Damn, why all kids are annoying these damn days. Shut up ex nigga bitch. Scott, or you go to hell and make you eat shit and I call FB on you. Is that clear nigga? But this is the fucking music version bitch.
When she turned the TV programmer on.
Hello, I am Nature Cat and I love nature. Let's sing together bitches.
Tally ho! Tally ho! We're climbing up the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting muddy knees now. Nature cat. So what are we waiting for? We're so excited to explore all that nature has in store. Tally ho! Tally ho!
Favorite nature guide. We just can't wait to get outside.
Fear not, Daisy. I shall place everyone in the perfect pose. I'm here, leg right there. You balance on one toe, one ear up, and this one down. Perfect!
Can we get the show on the road? This pose is kind of hard to hold. Oh, right! Of course! Let's make some magic! Everybody say cheese! Cheese!
Not even the lowlands! Not even the lowlands! Not even the lowlands! Hello, Navina! Not even the lowlands! Not even the lowlands! Not even the lowlands! And it was so soft, and now it's gone. No, still not even the lowlands.
I knobbelove hal will sing for us.
Hello, I am Hal the dog and I had a dream that I was flying, yay friend.
Look at me! Hal! I'm flying! Whee!
May I sing you a song? Yeah, jar 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 jay jar jar. Fuck you all anyways, here's Daisy.
I love clouds. Shut up. Fuck you anyways, I will sing the song, guys. 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, go.
What do you see? I see Abraham Lincoln looking back at me, and a monkey with a drum counting 1, 2, 3. Funny what you see in the clouds. Clouds, clouds. Look how they change now. Abraham Lincoln is looking real strange, and that monkey with the drum just grew fangs. Funny what you see in the clouds, 'cause clouds are magical. Clouds. Watch the wind. Watch the wind moving. Watch the wind moving. Watch the wind moving. Watch the wind moving. I went to watch a move. Clocking, and I would play the drums, but here I am on the ground with my friends. And so now we can all pretend. Hey,
Yeah, I love y'all, fuck all of y'all, yay. Fucking hate all y'all want. Okay fuckers, here is Squeaks the mouse, that small ass.
Hello Belzome vhat want.
Don't cuss, okay, but I want cheese. I love cheese, 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 anything but cheese, 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 yum, 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 yum,
Oxid insert ok.
Thank you so much.
Boldness.
Hi, my name is Squeaks and I love cheese, so I want to sing a song to everybody because I love cheese fuckers.
Let's keep it snappy. 1, 2, 3. It's a splendiferous night for a moon dance. We're doing moves all over the place. We're gonna spin and flare like the dance in our pants until the moon starts to dance out in space. A moon dance. I should have seen this coming.
I love you all and goodbye.
Oh guys, we have fucking questions to fucking answer today, so I will ask 8 more questions and everybody will fucking answer. We get that wrong, I'll get back slap in the face and I will call fucking be on by, also don't fucking get mad at me. Scott, this is your first question. Who is Spleet?
It's a mouse that loves cheese.
Wow Scott, you're a super smart sit. You thought you're smart, you're dumb. That's wrong answer. Spleeks is a mouse. I love cheese, 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 fucker.
Nigga, I said that.
Wow, shut up nigga. Your dumb question. What is 29
9,292,983,392 Walker Winston SSKNSNSSMS Cheese DSNKSNDD DJs DSJSSMS Cheese S Kesslines Poop and I fucked him.
Wrong answer Nick. Scratch you dumb boy. Guess what? You eat shit from the trash can and you also eat Poppy's poop. And make sure if you make a wrong answer, I got SBFB Avenue and give me my 50-cent phone back from Family Dollar at 712 Ala George Street from 1110. You dumb trash. Instead you can get slammed for poop.
Void.
Hello wild rats, my name is Mrs. Green, and I love Scott shit, and I love Scott so much that is my favorite student in the world, and also I got a beard, and then because his teacher said so I don't care where he let anybody say today's guy has been a bad kid today and that listening to his teacher, so now FBI is going to come and get him tomorrow. I don't give a damn, get out my face right now, okay bye. Good after his page right now, I'll call cops on you and I will beat you up with a knife.
Hi honey.
Hi.
I be good but FBI come tomorrow.
Bitch, is fucking 11 Fahrenheit degrees outside, it's super cold.
Shut up fuck up, you're not ugly, you're not sexy, shut the fuck up right now, shut up.
When your birthday?
Shut up.
When your birthday party come?
Shut up.
When you go back to Keket Dek and SKSKSKSDKSKSKS did SKKSSMSDDDKSKSMSMMSMSSS solid SSSNAKSKSKSKKDNDKDDNSNNDD DNDKSKSKSKSKS school.
Shut up.
Where we at?
Shut up. You give me my money back from Dollar Tree and from Walmart. You will give me $2 for Samsung Galaxy phone, and you won't give me 50 cents for Samsung Galaxy charger right now. I don't care.
Honey, that's $2.50. I don't have that much money. I have 2 cents. That makes no sense, honey. That's too much money, 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 so much money, too much money.
Do you know get job? You get paid poor, you dumb. You don't know since you have my face right now, you dumb. You make since you were 8, you have poop in your mouth. Now go talk to much, you eat poop. Get out my face, you dumb. Not finished with your mouth. Give me my money back.
Yay why yay why why yay why yay why.
Don't touch me.
Why the fuck you staring at me, you nasty my screen? If I see you standing like that one more time, you get punched in the face so hard. Oops 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 oops. Sorry Jessica, you were fired. ISIS success.
Oh, it hurt. It hurt. You're fired.